Welcome back to my channel. I am here with an unboxing, and I picked up a Android tablet from Amazon for $69.99, and this is the C13 Android tablet from Fancy Day. But before I get into the unboxing, if you're new here, I just ask that you hit that subscribe button below, hit that bell to be notified. I only drop one video. That's once a week, every Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Let's take a look around this box real quick. You have the C13. This is a 10.4-inch tablet, Smart Life within reach, and it has the AMI OS. As you can see, nothing around the box, and just some contact information for the maker of the tablet. Opening the box, as you can see, we're greeted with the tablet. I purchased the tablet in the silver color. They also had a black color as well. Inside the box, you get the tablet, you get the user guide in black and white, you get the USB charger, and this is going to be the USB Type-C with no branding on the cable. And you also get a power brick as well. Here is the tablet. I'm going to take this on off. Here is the screen. Like I said, you get a 10.4-inch screen. The front-facing camera is going to be a 5-megapixel camera. Then you have on the back camera is a 8-megapixel camera. So on the side of the tablet, you have two speakers. On the top, you'll have the USB Type-C charging port. This is where you would insert the TF card up to 1 terabyte. This is the reset button. This would be your power on and power off button, and you have your volume rocker. And then on the other side, you'll have two more speakers, 4 speakers in total on 2 sides, nothing on the bottom. Now looking at the screen, you will have a pretty thick bezel, so there is no edge to edge screen. Let's take a look at the back. I already mentioned the back camera is 8 megapixel. This is the silver version, but as you can see on the other side, there is a white accent strip where the camera is, so it's not a full silver back tablet. I'm going to turn this on by holding down the power button. And while this is booting up, I want you to know that this is Android 14 with the octa-core processor. You get 10 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, which isn't bad for the price. Startup is pretty decent. Let's see how long this takes. So the screen here is not bad. So the screen is going to be a full view display with HD plus IPS 133 2x800. Here is the Android tablet fired up. As you can see, it's running your regular Android platform. You have your Gmail, YouTube, all that, Google Play Store. This runs on a 5,000 milliamp battery. It also has 5G Wi-Fi, and and 5.3 Bluetooth. So let's check the responsiveness of this real quick. So as you can see, pretty responsive. Let's see how fast it loads up Google. Google loads up pretty quickly. Okay, let's see how fast it will pull up a website. Okay, so not too bad. Let's try a different one here. Okay. So not too bad. There is a little slowness to this. All your apps here. So I think this is a great tablet for $69.99. I mean, this would be great for maybe like grandparents that's not too tech savvy but would like to have a tablet, or for like the kids, you don't want to go out and spend $300 to $400 on a tablet. You can just pick one of these up for $69.99. I think this was a great buy. Really nice. I do like the silver with the white accent with the white edge. The screen is pretty decent. It's pretty vibrant. Pixelation is pretty good. I mean, it's coming off more blue on camera, but you do get a decent amount of rich colors. So this has been my unboxing of the C13 Android tablet, 10.4 inch running Android 14, purchased from Amazon for $69.99. If you have yet to subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Hit that bell to be notified. Please make sure you like, comment, share this video with each and every one you know. I may do like an in-depth of this tablet eventually. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.